this fucking spindle. Tried everything I can. I've whacked it with air compressor, I've whacked it with air chisels, I've fucking been spinning this with my nut gun at the same time. I'm smacking that and nothing's happening. And now it's cracked all the way down the fucking spindle. Goes all the way down into the fridge. You can't see it properly, but because I've lubed it up. Lubed it. Got that on. Look at this gap, mate, between here. That is how the old one was. So that should have been a flag to prove, you know, to tell me. You see how there's still a gap between the brass bit down there and the brake caliper. So the whole wheel can still rock. And the reason this wasn't happening before was because it was up against the brake pad. Bad alignment. So I've got this spacer. I put it in there. Bear with. So, and it opens up this. Yeah. Which then made this come out of line. So I think now I'm waiting for my friend who can cut this in half. Fun times. But other than that, the nut turned up. It's on the bike. The wheel is on. Aligning this has been a bitch. Aligning this wheel and figuring this situation out has been harder than rebuilding both top ends whilst waiting until the morrow so I can do these things. I decided to rip apart all of my wiring. Yay! That's a fun thing I just did and don't regret instantly. But I have mounted my speedo here, so in the fuel tanks here you should be able to see at least 30-40. That's why I've put it at a bit of a ganky angle, because I'm quite clever like that. Yeah. So all of this shit will go. All of this wiring is gonna fuck off. Yep. And then, yeah. It's been a long fucking day, but I thought I'd send you guys an update, because that's apparently what I do now. Lol. So the wheel is on. The wheel is done. I can ride the bike. I still haven't fully closed the split pin yet because this is tight as fuck. The wheel doesn't move, but this can still slide forward and backwards, which is not good. And if you tension it, it does fuck all. Don't know how. Some absolute idiot called Brady thought it would be a good idea to attempt the wiring, and now I realise, because I've got no brake switch anymore because I got rid of all the jazz, same here, because I got rid of all that, I've got no brake light and I can't test the brake light switch this side because there's no pressure, because we lost some fluid when we took that off, right? So I've got some more fluid, but in order to put the fluid in here, I have to take off the fucking rusty headed fucking bolts. I really do believe I'm done with this fucking thing, but I will persist for you guys. Tomorrow shall be the day it is done. I would hate to have more room. I've just removed one exhaust, right? So it's the first time I'm seeing this as well. Just yet another fucking bodge job. Like, on the brake fucking reservoir, mate. Look. Look at that bent bolt in there. Just hanging out. This is how it is. Cheers. Do you know what I mean? It's only my life. What do you mean? There's another issue. Yes. Rounded off bleed nipple, which is really stuck in there. Yes, I can't do that now. Yes. 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 Done the rear wheel up nice and tight. Whilst attempting to fuck with this fucking thing, I've realised the whole caliper is somehow fucking loose. How? When this is tight? What's this? Another update? I just went and spent my money on these easy out fucking things, right? And the smallest ones are 10 mil, which is good because the caliper things are 10 mil, right? Except it's fucking not. It's a fucking 9 mil, so it just moves freely on it. Fucking help me!